back to my channel. I want you to today we will unbox this COGO Girls Fountain. Okay, I like the box and the number, of course, importantly. So guys, this is the COGO Girls 3023-6. Okay, I like the box. It's purple. Tadash! Looks like a rainbow. So guys, for my other videos, I have these two. Right guys? So today, this is the fountain. By the way guys, check out my other vlogs. It look like the pet shop, the ice cream truck, the fashion shop, and the flower shop. So today, let's open it and unbox it and review and assemble it. So guys, now let's open. Ooh, can I see the same stickers, of course, because this is COGO. Ooh, this have this much. Oh, there's the same flowers as the flower shop, guys. There's the same flowers, and even this green thing. I don't know what's that green. Of course. Same stickers, always same stickers. And oh cool. We have the other things. Oh, we have the other things about the fountain. And so guys, I will put this over here, but back. This is the pieces. The pieces. Ooh, there's a new part. So cool! This looks like an umbrella part. This looks like an umbrella part. Okay. Cool parts. Oh, there's the girl over here. The girl. Oh, there's another thing just like the fashion shop. The blue, but it's just blue. Oh, it's two. I mean three. Okay, that's a lot. Okay, is there other parts to this? Oh, there's a cool part. Wait, put it up. No, of course it stick together. Okay, it's so cool. Let's do the instructions. Okay, first let's check the instructions. COGO. Ooh, okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, we have a microphone here. Wait. Oh, you have to build it. The microphone. The stickers, guys. All of the stickers are here. You know, the fashion shop, the house, of course. The pet shop, or you can call it pet house because it's on here. The sticker. See? The XB5699. That's the plate number. The flower shop, it's clear. The other thing, clock. Oh, this is the sticker. This and the other things. Oh, there's the music note. Okay, the first, I think this is bag number 1. I don't know because these COGO has no numbers. Okay. There, I have to pull it. Okay, now the parts. There we go. Ah! There we go. First, let's put it here. Ooh, cool parts. First, let's remove these parts, just like this purple, just like the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cute. The other one. Ooh, there's a lot of blue parts. Materials ready. The blocks, the flowers, the instructions. It's under the instructions, the stickers, and let's build. Are you ready, guys, to build the COGO Fountain? Let's go. first ones I build for the fountain is this one. You know, guys, this was spinning. It's so cool. See? What? See? It's turning around. So that's why it's a lot of these ones that look like lights. It's for this. I got 16 of them up here. If you want to count it, I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See, guys? I totally didn't count it earlier. I just know it was 16. See? Mentally. Okay, the girl is here. So guys, did you know the suit is looking familiar for the ice cream truck in the hair, but it's only color orange for the ice cream truck. But today it's this one, black. Okay, the makeup is still same, just like the ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Are you ready, guys, to build the half one? Let's go!
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five.
I will explain the parts. These two are speakers. Guys, these are speakers. And this is, the lyrics, I think. The lyrics. This is the microphone. Ooh, this is the girl. This is the style of the microphone. Whoa, there's a lot of parts. This is the, from the garden flower shop. But this is on the set. Even these flowers, guys, it's so cool. So guys, I'm done.